All right, so today we are gonna put this on. All right, so we already put it on. And I got it from this company here. Hey look, we actually got this bad boy on my birthday. We ordered it. Anyway, here you go. So, there it goes. It's pretty nifty. You gotta take the old one and cut it off, usually because they're corroded on. Whiz wheel would be lovely. And then you gotta slide the inner shafts out. The pedals actually just pull out. I thought it was whole one unit. It's not. And then you get these Allen keys that are pretty nice to set up. And when you get the Allen keys, you'll notice there is a bigger hole and a little hole. The bigger hole, the Allen key actually sets in, which was awesome. And here we go. We're just literally, here the pedal is. You just literally, pretty cool. I guess if the pedal goes bad, I can just order pedals maybe. I don't know. Didn't really look into it too deep. That was almost 2 years ago. And it's locked in. And it's locked in. And it came in a box with all the goodies you needed. And literally, hopefully the kids get out on the water tomorrow. Hopefully the bay is comfortable and not all crazy. And there you go. The pedals are locked in. I'm happy. I'm definitely happy. Kit was fairly reasonably priced. I mean, $50 plus $6. I got a drain plug because ours leaks. And this baby will be back on the road, on the water, I should say, floating away. So there you go. Check it out. Like and subscribe for more handy, helpful hints. If you have a paddle boat, that company, Rocky, literally the Rocky company, paddle boat, pedalboat.com. There you go. 2 minutes that could save you thousands, because who wants to buy a new one when all you need is paddles? They have all kinds of goodies on there. And this bad boy happens to be a Seahawk. I bought this for my daughter years ago. It's like brand new. They actually sell this too. I should have bought it in the latch, but what are you gonna do? One little crack over there. We don't use it enough to really worry about all that, but who knows, maybe by the time I'll glue the latch back together. Oh, that almost rotted. leave it in there. Maybe what I should do is stick a piece of Velcro in there. Either way, this is a nice 5-person. Obviously, one person, one in the middle, one on each side, and one on each back. We got a cooler. We had a trolling motor on this 2 years ago. We had a blast. So there it is. Like and subscribe for more handy, helpful hints. And the hint that I gave you today was Rocky Company, the Pedal Boat Company, or pedalboat.com. That's all I needed was a grinder, a hammer, Allen key, 11mm socket, and a chisel, and some cleaner, or some Kroll. This stuff's pretty nice. That stuff works pretty good. There you go.